Is it possible to make $2,500 in a single hour by launching a meme coin? Yes, I just did it, and here is the live proof. So yeah, I am sharing my pro strategy so that you can also make bank. Before we launch anything, we need a solid meme idea. Something memorable, entertaining, maybe even a bit absurd. I usually check Deck Screener for ideas. I start with the trending section to see which tokens have strong volume and market cap. You can also browse top tokens. Here you can copy any top trending token name, logo, and download the image. Now, to launch our meme coin, we need a launch pad which lets us control the full play. That's where cortexlaunch.fun comes in. It's the most cost-effective Solana token creator. It let us own and control everything. In fact, let us earn the transaction fee, unlike pump.fun, which is not even letting you control. In fact, they earn the total transactions fee. So let's begin. First, click on Connect Terminal. I am going to connect my Solflare wallet. Connected. After connecting the wallet, look, I have 3 Sol around $220 now. Upload the logo for the meme coin, then the name as I am doing Trench and Trench for symbol. For description, up to you. You can write anything. For socials, if you have got your website, then paste here. Otherwise, this platform offers a free website with every meme coin creation. That's the perk, you know. Now, clicking next. For this part, let the supply be 1 billion. It's recommended. Also, freeze authority and mint authority. Keep them selected because it will keep the buyer's trust in our coin. Now, the fun part. Cortex Launch gives us the option to promote our coin on DEX terminals as it launches so that we can have buyers' attention from the very beginning, you know? So, selecting it. So let mint our token. Click it. Okay. It's doing its work. Yeah, that's good. I trust the site, accept it, just 0.3 Sol. Accept again, Solana network fee. Just 0.02 Sol. It's working. Boom. Our meme coin has been created. It's that easy. And this is the free website. Let's check it. Wow, it has got everything. Also, our coin has been promoted on these DEX terminals. We will copy our website link and share on social media platforms while launching it. It also shows good metrics for our meme coin. Next step is to launch our meme coin, so it becomes tradable. So, now initializing pool. Keep the token supply 90%, and for starting Sol, you can literally begin with just 0.1 Sol. So, yeah, click deploy pool. It has started. Yeah, that's correct. Accept it. It is working now. Boom. Our coin is live on DEX terminals and the trading has started on it. Refresh the terminal. Now, the main essence of my earning journey, the volume bot. Go to bot.cortexlaunch.fun. Connect your wallet. I'm using Solflare as I have 2.4 Sol in my wallet. Here is plan of Cortex bot basic plan, just 0.7 Sol. If you choose your own, it will goes around 0.5 Sol to 50 Sol, up to you. Adjust the value based on your goals. The higher the value, the stronger the bot's activity may be. I am going with basic plan, just 0.7 Sol. Next, paste your token's contract address. The bot will automatically load your token information and you're ready to proceed. Before moving on, double check the first and last few characters of the contract address to make sure you've selected the correct token. Now click on Launch Volume BOT. Approve the payment request. It only costs 0.7 Sol and it can deliver impressive results. Just wait and watch. If a security prompt appears, click I trust this site to continue, then confirm the transaction. That's it. The volume bot is now active and generating trading activity to help increase your token's visibility and attract more attention. Now, head over to Photon. As you can see, buy and sell transactions are already appearing in real time, which means your token is officially live and trading on the market. From here, you can watch your project's activity unfold, track every trade as it happens, and see your meme coin start building momentum. This is where your launch truly comes to life. Let's fast forward it now and wait for it to grow more. Now, the last part where we will make money from our coin. Coming back to cortexlaunch.fun, go to Launch section, click on Manage, click on Remove Liquidity, set the slider to 100% and click Remove Liquidity. Yes, confident it's working. This coin has made us 34 Sol. Let's approve it to have it in our wallet. It's done. Moment of truth checking my wallet. Unbelievable. That's how I make thousands per meme coin launch per day. Look at that. Refreshing it for you guys, 3 Sol to 34. So yeah, this platform, cortexlaunch.fun, is pretty interesting. You don't have to rely only on platforms like pump.fun or wait and hope your token gains traction. Instead, it offers another way to launch and manage your meme coin with its own set of tools and features. As with any crypto project, success is never guaranteed. Make sure you do your own research, understand the risks involved, and use the platform responsibly. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.